Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. And this particular video will also be applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. So let's begin with that. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to turn on the developer options in Android Pie. Before turning it on, let me confirm you that my phone is already on Android Pie. And most of the users are still in Android Pie because Asus has not provided any stable Android 10 update. So I thought let's create a dedicated video from the Android Pie's perspective. So as you can see, it is Android Pie and with the 0.59 version, which is the most stable Pie version till date. So now it's come like how to turn it on. So for that, again, you have to tap on system. Afterward, you have to move to about phone section and just move to the very below where you will see build number. Just tap 7 to 8 times and it will say you are now a developer. Afterward, you will see these developer options just above the system update section. Just tap it here. So by default toggle is on, or that is developer options are on. So in this I'll be going to discuss 2 to 3 different sections, and I will also suggest you to turn those on. So first would be USB debugging. So turn it on. So once you will turn it on, it will show you a prompt like allow USB debugging. USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data and so on. So just tap it here, nothing else. Afterward, we have to move to the drawing section. So for that, let's move to this section, that is drawing, and here we will be touching base 3 different sections. One is Windows animation scale, another is transition animation scale, and last one is animator duration scale. So by default, both like all the 3 options are set to scale 1x, but I always suggest to make it as 0.5x so that your transition would be much faster and it will feel like your phone is been working a little bit faster as compared to the previous one. So now let's say you have already turned it on, but after a certain time you thought like yeah brother, I'm not using this particular setting, how can I turn it off? Straightforward thing, again move to the developer option and just press on this particular on toggle to off. But there is one catch with this one, all the settings that you have turned it on will also be reset. So let's say if I will be turning it off, then this USB debugging has been turned off. Aside to that, in drawing section where we have set those scales have been set to 1x again. So again, if you want to turn it on, again do the same thing, go to about phone section, tap 7 to 8 times and you will find that developer options are again turned on. So this was all from my side related to how to turn on the developer options in Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, or all the Asus phones which are having almost same UI with respect to OS and so on. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.